Now, calm your mind and loosen up your body. Start to take gentle, slow, deep breaths as you concentrate on the images and sounds of the woods being displayed. Visualize the images of the beautiful and peaceful scenery being displayed in as much detail as you can, according to what you see and hear. Now, close your eyes. With your eyes closed, continue to slowly breathe in and out. Now, you feel your breath becoming serene and deep. As your breath becomes deeper and deeper, you feel all the tension gradually releasing from your body. Now, you see yourself breathing in the middle of the deep, peaceful woods. You are taking deep breaths and feel the cool, fresh air coming into your nose. Each time you slowly breathe in through your nose, you feel the cool temperature of the air. Each time you slowly breathe out through your nose, you feel the warm temperature of the air. Now, you focus on how the sensations change when you breathe. Now, you see the beautiful, splendid waterfall in front of you. You feel the cool wind blow across your face. Feel all the negative thoughts and fatigue in your mind wash away with the sound of waterfall. Now, take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.